Materi Essential, First Grade, Living Things and Non-Living Things. Pay attention to the following statements. 1. Non-living things are lifeless. They do not have life. Hence, they do not need cell to carry out different process. So, non-living things do not have cells, which is the basic unit of life. 2. Due to absence of cells, tissues, organs, there are no metabolic activities going inside them. No metabolic activity means no production of energy. 3. Non-living things show locomotion. They can move on their own. An external force has to be applied to move non-living things from one place to another. 4. They do not require nutrition. As they do not show any life process, they do not need food to produce energy. They do not grow, they do not produce offsprings, so there is no process of reproduction involved in their life cycle. 5. Non-living things do not die. They cannot vanish on their own. They do not age. An external force can only destroy them. Characteristics of non-living things are: the answer is B. Pay attention to the following statements. 1. Respond to their environment. 2. Fixed and immovable. 3. Reproduce and have offspring. 4. Have complex chemistry. 5. Maintain homeostasis. 6. Are built of structure called cells. 7. Pasteurize until their offspring. Characteristics of living things are: the answer is B. A change in an organism surrounding that causes it to react is called A. A stimulus, B. Development, C. A response, D. Energy. The answer is A. A stimulus, because a stimulus can make living things move and grows toward the light. The plant's action is an example of A. Reproduction, B. A stimulus, C. A response, D. Development. The answer is C. A response, because living things can respond to stimulus. Responding to change helps an organism to survive, which is the best example of a response to change. A. A polar bear hides its cube from danger. B. A cell only grows in a certain environment. C. You move your hand away from a hot surface when you touch it. D. Geese migrate to the south for the winter. The answer is A. Polar bear hides its cube from danger. What do living things use energy for? A. To do things like grow, heal and digest. B. To succeed in school. C. To find friends. D. To reach their goals. Draw a line on the question and correct description. The left table, question. The right table, description. Compare between growth and development. Growth is considered as the increase in the size of an organ or cell. growth is increase in the height, weight, and body size of person. Why can't non-living things respire? Because non-living things not doing process of life. So non-living things not need respire to inhale oxygen or exhale carbon dioxide. Why do plants can't move but still come under living things? Wah, keliru. How plants can prepare their own food? Plant is one of living things that can produce their own food. The way to produce is by process of photosynthesis. Compare between the growth of living things and non-living things. Living things can grow by increase in height, weight, and body size, but non-living things can't grow because non-living things not do process of life.